Hi everyone, I will show you how to link email with Likee. First of all, you need to open your Likee app, then go to your profile in the bottom right and tap to three dots on the top right and tap to settings option. Now go to account and tap to a link account. Now you need to tap to a email option. Now tap to a binned email. Now you need to enter your email and tap to a send code option. Now the Likee app will be sent a verification code on your email. Now go back and open your email. Now they copy the verification code. Now again go back and enter your verification code. Now you need to enter your password, and if you want to add your hint password then tap here, and if you don't then tap to a confirm option. Now your Gmail will be linked with Likee app. Thanks for watching our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more informative videos like this.